King news, my lovely, wonderful people. Embittered Rivers Assembly members move to prevent probe on FCT Minister Yeson Wike. So there is a lot going on at the moment. But Wike does not even know that he's trying to also implicate himself. Because when you say your mama not go sleep as a child and you are on her, you keep crying and crying. Invariably, what you're trying to say as well is that you also will have no rest. And that's where the African adage comes that says, Pekin, when he say man not go sleep, the Pekin self not go sleep. Apparently, there's going to be a probe on Yeson Wike and the embittered, 27 Rivers lawmakers, the assembly members are trying their hardest best possible to prevent this because this is going to really shed light on a lot of things and open cans of worms that Wike may not be willing to share with the public. And even Tinubu, even though he puts his nose away, cannot really shy away from it. Although he's trying to play so I'm not saying, I'm not hearing until it gets very, very intense, but he will not be even, him himself will not be able to run away. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Embittered Rivers Assembly members moves to prevent probe on FCT minister. The factional House of Assembly in Rivers State, led by Martin, has risen against the Rivers State the Commission of Inquiry Law of 1999. Politics Nigeria reports that the 27 embittered members who previously declared their movement from the People Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress APC are loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Yeson Wike. The embittered lawmakers are rushing to reap the law, which enabled and empowered the state to inquire into past administration. The law was used by Wike as a governor to create a judiciary commission to inquiry that probed the. So, my people, this is the very, very, unprecedented matters. He also used the same law against Rotimi Amechi. The law was used by the same Wike as a governor to create a judiciary commission of inquiry that probed the tenure of his predecessor, Rotimi Amechi. Meanwhile, the Martin-led assembly has already set a bill seeking to repeal the law through a second reading. The repeal process was initiated by the lawmakers following the decision of the state government led by Governor Sim Fubara to set up a judiciary commission of inquiry to probe Wike, the recent ASCON and destruction of local government secretariats of the state. Notably, the commission invited the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Yeson Wike, and APC caretaker chairman, Chief Tony Okocha, to testify in the probe. However, both leaders have shunned the probe panel. The Deputy Speaker, Molly, the members representing Koko Tora constituency 2, Lolo Okpadi, and the members representing Omowo constituency, Silvanus Newoko, sponsored the bill, leading the debate on the bill. Newoko said the obvious reasons for this law to be looked into were repealed and to be enhanced to reflect the current democratic reality, not a previous law that was given in 1999 that may not be aligned with what we have today. So this is his reason for sponsoring the bill. This is the man's reason for sponsoring the bill. Can you imagine? He said they want to put the law to reflect what is happening today, all in a bid to ensure that Yeson Wike is not probed. Can you imagine? All in the bill to ensure that, all in a bid to ensure that Yeson Wike is not probed. My people, you see Nigeria. Yeah, that's why when you are coming into power, may God give you wisdom, give you grace, so that you don't have people working against you. You cannot really do much. You can't do much. If you have people who are supposed to be with you working against you, the ability to be able to do much will be hampered and hindered. So, Wike was called in order to look into the probe on what some of the things that have happened. Okay, his participation and all that. And these guys have cleverly thought, you know what, let's frustrate the governor or whoever is looking into, putting up a probe. And they have said, no, 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 no. We cannot do, Wike cannot be probed. They are moving to change the law. That's the people we have, yes. Moving very swiftly to make sure that the law is changed. This is the people we have. These are people that are supposed to be concentrating on their constituency, ensuring, okay, that their constituency is well reflected, represented, and, everything is going well. These are the people. However, they have decided, they have made up their mind that they will not, ensure that, they look after their constituency that, in quote and unquote, brought them into that position to be able to represent them. This is why, the quality of leadership we have do not represent the people, because they don't feel indebted to the people. They don't feel the people brought them there. After all, they got there by some godfather or somebody whom they have to ensure that they represent or look after or go ahead to ensure that the godfather's plights, wants, desires are met. These are the people we have. So there is really no loyalty to ensuring honesty, sincerity, and justice. Because why would they do that? Why should they do that? When they owe loyalty to the person who spent money. According to Wike, he said, up to the forms, I bought it. Everything, I did it. So why is anybody telling me that I don't have a right to reap from where I have sown? That's Wike for you. And he said it. It's not, I'm not saying hearsay. Wike is saying it without apology. That is it not right when you have sponsored people? He said, ask them, which of them bought their forms, or which of them, did this or did that. He said to the forms, to the election, I did everything. So is it not right to reap? And that's the mentality. This same Wike once told Nigerians that he's not in for any godfatherism or anything of such. He's a man of his word. There is nothing like godfatherism. He will not look into anybody's administration. He is focused. He will look, all lies. So leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.